Well, it's that time of year when people will be heading to the beach, the golf course, and other fun outdoor destinations. And it's also the time of year to start slathering on the sunscreen if you didn't do that all winter. But what can you do about all those years when you were younger and didn't worry about sun damage? Well, here with some help for sun-damaged skin is plastic surgeon Dr. Brian Maloney. Hi, Dr. Maloney. How are you?
Hi, Valerie. Great.
It seems like nearly all of us have some sun damage, don't we? Once you get into the 30s and the 40s and such.
We were in the sun generation where the savage tan was in. Now,
remember that? Zero sunscreen?
Exactly, baby oil. Now we're starting to pay the price.
What are some of the signs that you can tell that you've got sun damage on your skin as opposed to just the regular aging process?
Well, as someone gets a lot of sun, we start seeing some of the pigments start to cluster. So we see some of the little brown spots. We see wrinkling of the skin. And the skin actually begins to thicken. Remember the Marlboro Man, that thick, leathery cowboy skin?
Yes.
Great example of what happens in the skin. Most of us aren't to that extreme, but we're somewhere along that path.
What can people do who don't want a full facelift? You know, they just want a little, maybe nip tuck or even less. What are some of the things that we can do? I believe you got some pictures of some of the treatments that you offer.
Great. Well, the cornerstone of youth rests with a beautiful, smooth complexion.
Like this lady has. What did you do for her there?
So with her, I actually did laser resurfacing. That's a wonderful tool that basically takes off all the sun damage, allows brand new skin to form. I also did a facelift to help tighten up the neck and the cheek area.
Okay, and what else do we have? What about this one now? She had some sagging under her chin that you fixed?
Exactly. So facelift combined with the laser resurfacing. Once again, the laser just very important to smooth out the little lines and the spots in the skin. This patient also, as you look at her face, you see the lines on the one side. So I performed the laser combined with the lift at the same time.
Now, does laser resurfacing, I'm not really that familiar with that, does that hurt?
Well, if you go to the dentist, does he do fillings with no numbing medicine?
Oh, okay.
As long as we put some numbing in there, it's not an uncomfortable procedure, but it's truly the most dramatic procedure that I do, taking away all that sun-damaged skin. And the exciting thing about it is the results are there 20 years down the road.
Wow, and real quickly, what are the price ranges for those kind of treatments?
As far as I know, they're free. I have someone in the office who talks about that, but a full-face laser resurfacing is probably going to be maybe in the $4,000 to $5,000 range.
Okay, well, if you haven't already used your sunscreen, now's probably a really good time to start. But if you didn't and need a little help, I guess there's things people can do out there.
Fantastic.
Thank you very much, Dr. Maloney. We appreciate you stopping in today.
My pleasure.
And we'll put some information about Dr. Maloney and his treatments on 11alive.com.